Yes, my peeps. Good morning to each and every one of you. Welcome back to another video from Farmer Wayton Experience. And this morning, I'll be making some Cerasee tea known as bitter melon, bitter gourd, or bitter apple. In different countries, they call it different names. So, I just want to make some Cerasee tea, to purify the blood and so forth. And Cerasee have many benefits, such as people who have eczema or rash. They get the green Cerasee and rub it up, put it in some water and bath with it, and it get off the rash and the eczema and so forth. And it's good for constipation, and if you have high cholesterol and so forth, digestive system also, it's good for that too. So Cerasee have a lot of benefits. So just gonna make a little Cerasee tea this morning and don't know anything set up. So don't have me teapot line up, and this is some dry Cerasee. When I look the green one, me wash it, leave off of it already. In a little part that is not suitable, you may take it off and put it to dry and so forth. Then I'm put it in a brown paper bag. This is the best way to store all your bushes in a paper bag and so forth. After you dry it, man, so it don't have any mildew or anything on it. So have it like this amount, man, to make 2 cups of tea, right? So we don't have water here already line up, man. So I'm just gonna pour in the water in it and thing like this. 1 cup, 2 cups, and you're good to go. If you want, you can add a little ginger with this Cerasee also, Another time I will show you how I make my ginger and Cerasee tea. But at the moment, this is just Cerasee alone. Man. So, I'm going to get it on the stove now and light it up. Man, and you can stay the boil for 5 minutes or so, because you don't want the Cerasee boil too long neither. Just one, say you put him on and you set him up and him did a go and boil. Man, so as I said before, Cerasee good for a lot of complaint. Man, carry a lot of benefit. But you just do it the simple way, as our mother and grandparents used to do it. As a child growing up, they give you Cerasee tea like 2 or 3 times for the week, They home from school and the holidays, especially in the mango season, and those times the mango sweet, and you eat a lot of mango, man, and give you Cerasee tea 2 or 3 times for the week, and take back the sweetness out of your blood and cleanse your blood and purify your blood, and you're good to go again. Man, Cerasee carry a lot of benefit. Lots, but don't know, so I think set up. Man, so if you have rash on your skin or people have eczema, just get the green Cerasee, rub it up till it start, give you the juice, you put it in the water and bathe with it maybe 2-3 times a week or so forth. Or if you can use it every day, it's up to you, But as a child growing up, that our parents use. Man. The Cerasee, man. And if you have gastroenteritis, man, you boil the Cerasee and it help you. Man. You can add little ginger, as I said before, night, Yes. It's up to you if you want to try that way, but me drink it many times that way. Cerasee and ginger and so forth. So that's why I got my peeps, man. The real traditional Cerasee, many different countries and call it many different names. Bitter melon, bitter ground, bitter apple, all different kind of names in different countries. But we in Jamaica, we know it as Cerasee. Yeah, man. Yes, my peeps, you see it? Yeah, man, color start change, have a little greenish look there. Yeah, man. The next 3-4 minutes time, I turn him off and strain him and take few sip of it. Yeah, man, and go on. Yes, my peeps, it's about time, you know. Cerasee tea ready. So now we'll give it a little strain and thing. Yeah, man. That is it, man. Yes, my peeps, see it here? Yeah, man, it was a fine strainer to strain it because with the dry Cerasee, you know that it kind of mash up. So you don't want to have that jugs in it. You use the finest strainer you have, yeah, man, and strain it. Yeah, man, see it there? See, look, right color. Yeah, man, I don't use too much Cerasee. You don't know Cerasee bitter. You don't want to spoil the flavor of your tea by using too much Cerasee. So you see the amount of Cerasee, make sure the dry one, yeah, man. Same amount in a pot, and you add your water and so forth. Yeah, man. So this is the traditional Jamaican Cerasee tea. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself, you know. Don't know? Peace. I'm out.